drop it.
Yo guys, hope you're well. We just came today to take some video for CJ since she got a new motorbike called Suzuki SF-150 Gixxer. It's not really a super power bike, but it's okay to have a good motorbike, you know. So we got it for CJ, and for her birthday. Actually, it's a little late, but she got it as a birthday. She got it 3 weeks later, you know. She got as a gift, and we were able to give, and then she was very happy about it. So what we did, our cousins from Bangalore came, and they had drones and GoPros and also some other cameras. So what we had to did, we could bring them and then have the video. And she's taking actually a video, actually having a video shoot for her. Not a big way, but a simple way, when it was one of the nicest thing to do. I'll show you guys some of the videos as we take. She really enjoyed the motorbike. The motorbike's really very cool and very nice. And if you are looking for a not super bike, and also but looks like a super bike, and also when it comes to the look, at the same time economy, and also the way it goes, Suzuki Gixxer is actually one of the nice bike, I could say. I'm not comparing, I'm not saying what are the good features and all. We're gonna have a review for that motorbike later, but for now it's about CJ and her video shoot. And here are some of the clips, guys, that you will enjoy. is CJ here, guys. After a video shoot, she looks kind of tired. There you go, guys. We have Stephen, Dilip, and Benny with us. Our cousins all the way from Bangalore to take some video for us. We had so much good times